Yo guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today I'm showing the Razer MX650 after a ton of upgrades. This thing's dialed in, so let's break down every mod I've done on it. First up, stopping power. I have a Zoom 4-piston rear caliper with a Zoom rotor. It's super solid, has great modulation. Up front, I'm rocking LMXT 2-piston because I had it laying around from another build, but it's not nearly as strong as the Zoom brake. Also, I had to use a Zoom rotor as the LMXT rotors had a different bolt pattern, so I would not recommend them. Next, I swapped in some Pro Taper bars, super comfortable and strong, paired with Odi Grips, which makes the whole bike feel bigger and more legit. Powering everything is a 48-volt battery from CAOMM. It's 10 amp hours and was a pretty easy install and gave me more torque, better top speed, and way more fun. I upgraded the chain for durability and went with a welded freewheel setup so it feels more like an actual dirt bike as opposed to a kid's toy. In total, I spent under $380 on these upgrades, which is not bad for fully building a little electric dirt bike that goes 25 miles per hour and wheelies with ease. The difference is insane. The braking's sharp, the throttle feels more responsive thanks to that torquier battery, and the bike handles way more aggressively than stock. If you're thinking about modding your MX650, this setup is totally worth it. Let me know in the comments what mods I should add next, or if I should get a Mototech 60V. Don't forget to drop a like, sub if you're new, and use code AcedBikes at Electron & Co. to save 5%. That's the company that makes the Zoom 4-piston brakes, which are the best brakes for these bikes. Thanks for watching. Also, links to all of these products will be down below, as well as my discount code and discount link for Electron & Co.